In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare this year versus last year using Tableau. First, let's dive into opening the Tableau public app. This tool is essential for visualizing data and will guide you step by step to achieve our intended outcome. Once your app is open, locate and access your worksheet where we'll be implementing all these changes. The worksheet is the canvas of our operation. It's where you'll manipulate your data to show a year-on-year comparison. Next, let's begin by dragging your date field to the column section. You'll need to right-click and change this field to month. What this does is set up a monthly timeline on which our data comparison will be plotted, offering a more detailed and comprehensible view of how metrics line up over the 2 years. With your timeline set, move on to the revenue data. You'll want to drag your revenue field into the rows twice. This might seem redundant at first, but it's setting the groundwork for separating and comparing the different year's data. By placing revenue in rows twice, you allow Tableau to display two metrics simultaneously. After this, you'll encounter a little drop-down arrow within your worksheet. Click it to create a calculated field. This function is where the magic happens, as it allows for custom fields based on a formula. You should name this new field this year. Then go ahead and type in the query specific to your data set. This is what isolates the data for the current year. Clicking OK completes this task. You'll see the newly created field appear, and it's time to drag it to the rows, replacing one of the revenue entries. This substitution essentially filters your data, showing the revenue solely for this year. The calculations from the calculated field provide a focused, clear segment of your data. Now, we move on to the other part of the equation, duplicating the calculated field. Duplicate what you've set for this year, rename it to last year, and once again input the necessary query to fetch last year's data. Hit OK to confirm your changes. This field will now appear alongside this year, and you should drag it to replace the second revenue instance in your rows. Your worksheet should now display both this year's and last year's metrics, ready for comparative analysis. For the final visual alignment, right-click on the measure values and select Dual Axis. This feature overlaps both data sets, making the comparison clearer. To ensure they scale equally, right-click on the axis and select Synchronize Axis. A synchronized axis anchors both data sets against a common scale, aiding precise comparison. Lastly, to fine-tune the display, right-click again and choose Edit Axis. Here, uncheck the option for Include Zero, which optimizes the view by removing unnecessary white space on the graph. And there you have it, a clean comparative visualization of this year versus last year's metrics in Tableau.